When to create an invoice. All purchasing starts with the purchase requisition, PR, flows to a purchase order, PO, is received through receiving, then lastly it is invoiced. Invoice creation approval. Admin manager can create and approve invoices that have an existing pre-approved PO. Any invoices without a PO must be approved by the plant manager. Where to create an invoice. Invoices can be created in the Invoices application in the following ways. 1. Click New Invoice. 2. Click Duplicate Invoice under More Actions. Referencing a PO. Invoices can be created with and without a referencing PO. If you are referencing a PO, the description and vendor fields will be entered once the PO number has been entered in the PO Details section. If no PO is referenced, you must choose a vendor and enter in a meaningful description for your invoice. Vendor Invoice Number. The vendor invoice number will be the one provided by the vendor. Maximo will verify that the invoice number you entered is not a duplicate before allowing you to proceed. You will also need to enter in the invoice date. Invoice lines. 1. Go to the Invoice Lines tab. 2. If you are pulling invoice lines from a PO, click on the blue Actions drop-down button, select Copy PO Lines. 3. Select the PO lines you want to include on your invoice in the dialog window. 4. Verify that your invoice line is added. Ensure that you review the taxes that have come over, if there are any. If you are not pulling invoice lines from a PO, you can manually enter them by clicking on New Row and entering in the appropriate information. This is typically used for items like tax, shipping, or other costs not reflected in the PO. Pay the invoice. When the invoice is correct and the status has been changed to APPR, either manually or through the workflow, you will be able to change the status to paid and enter in the paid date on the invoice for historical purposes.